To use the 8-digit programmer code to delete users, any users, from the LG66E keypad, simply first press and hold the 0 button until the keypad beeps twice, release, punch in the 8-digit code, and press and hold in any valid eKey until the red light comes on and stays on. Pull it back out again, press the 3 button, enter the user number to delete, and that user has been deleted when the light goes out. Now when we try user 1's combination, we find that this person is no longer able to open up the safe. We get 3 beeps indicating that's an incorrect entry. 2 beeps would indicate that the code is correct, but 3 beeps means that the user has been removed altogether.